Addition of rational numbers. Now we see subtraction of rational numbers. New topic, subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of two numbers means, suppose a upon b minus c upon d is equal to a upon b plus bracket minus c upon d. If we want to subtract c upon d from a upon b, means we have to add minus c upon d in a upon b. We have to add minus c upon d in a upon b. For example, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Take LCM of denominators. Here LCM is 4. So 3 minus 1 in numerator. If denominators are same, take them as LCM and subtract the denominator directly. So 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. If denominators are not same, suppose 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. If denominators are not same, then we have to take LCM of denominators. 3 2 is a 6, 2 2 is a 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Another example, subtract minus 3 by 8 from minus 5 by 7. So minus 5 by 7 minus, write in bracket minus 3 upon 8. It is equal to minus 5 by 7 minus minus plus, दुश्मन का दुश्मन दोस्त, 3 by 8 is equal to LCM. 7 8 is a 56, 8 5 is a 40 plus 5 3 is a 15, 7 5 3 is a 21. So minus 19 divided by 56. Suppose if the sum of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 8 and one number of them is minus 9 by 20. Find the other. Answer: x plus minus 9 by 20 is equal to minus 3 by 8. The sum of two numbers is minus 3 by 8. Let one number is x. Let one number is x. Then x plus 9 by 20 is equal to minus 3 by 8. X minus 9 by 20 is equal to minus 3 by 8. Because plus minus minus. Shift 9 by 20 at right side. So So minus 3 by 8 plus 9 by 20. We shifted minus 9 by 20 to right side. So it becomes positive. Now take LCM of 8 and 20. 2, 4, 10. 2, 2, 5. 2, 1, 5. 5, 1, 1. The LCM is 40. 2, 2 is a 4, 2 is a 8, 5 is a 40. Now 3 by 8 multiplied by 40. 8, 15. So minus 15 here. Minus 15 plus 9 by 20 is multiplied with LCM 40. 22 is a. We have to take LCM and we have to add. So x is equal to 3 by 40. Therefore required number is equal to 3 by 40. Another number is equal to 3 by 40. Now we see the properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. First property, closure property. Closure property. If and C upon D are two rational numbers, then their subtraction A upon B minus C upon D is also rational number. It is called closure property. Second, its example, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to LCM 6. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 6 is also rational number. It is also rational number. It is called closure property. The subtraction of two rational numbers is always rational number. The subtraction, in short, we have to remember the subtraction of two rational numbers is always rational number. Second, commutative property. Second, commutative property. In this property, sequence is important for subtraction. Suppose A minus A upon B minus C upon D is not equal to C minus D, that is C upon D minus A upon B. Subtraction of rational number is not always commutative. They are not equal. For example, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 6. But 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 6. Therefore, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is not equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. It is not commutative. हाँ बोलो बोलो associative property. Associative property. Subtraction of rational number is not associative. Subtraction of rational numbers is not associative. A upon B plus minus b upon c minus d upon e is not equal to a upon b minus b upon c minus d upon e. It is not associative. For example, we take 1 by 2 minus 1/3 minus 1/4 is equal to LCM 6, 3 minus 2 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4, LCM is 12, 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 12. First result. We take second one, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Here we make 1 by 2 minus 1/3 in association. Here 1/3 minus 1/4 in association. First of all, we have to simplify bracket as per Bodmer's rule. Minus 4 minus 3 in bracket. It is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12. LCM is 12. 6 minus 1. So 5 by 12. It is second result. From 1 and second result, first and second result, they are not equal. Therefore 1 by 2 minus 1/3 out of bracket minus 1/4 is not equal to 1/2 minus bracket 1/3 minus 1/4. Means subtraction of rational numbers are not associative. Hence we proved. Next, right identity. Right identity. Rational number 0 is right identity. From any rational numbers a upon b, if we subtract 0, we get same answer. It is called right identity. If we subtract 0 from 2 by 3, we get 2 by 3 same number. That means the rational number 0 is right identity. Rational number 0 is right identity. Now complete as a homework, complete exercise 1.3, subtraction of rational numbers. Okay.